Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecasting. As you see, my friend, our indicator, it's still here at the oversold area. And that one, it doesn't come to the oversold area a lot of times. It came to a hit at 2019 when we used to be 6,000. And it came to a hit in 2015. And now we are in it, my friend. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also we put in a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecasting. Again, we came back to you again, my friend, after the noon or the half of the day. It finished, my friend. As you see, the market was showing down here. It's showing to us here a rejection, but that rejection is not enough, my friend, to push away that price up. But me, I think, even if that big red candle happening here, the market will go in upward, my friend. And remember my word, and I'm going to prove that to you when we go into lower time frames. Because also here we are in the weekly, my friend. Maybe that one just pump and dump in the Bitcoin market, my friend. So to make you scared and to sell at losses and for people to think it's going to drop again. When we go into lower time frames, I'm going to prove to you my view, why me are saying that, my friend. Till now it's looking bad, my friend. But me, I got my analysis, and my analysis they telling me the market is going to go upward, my friend. So it's going to see those things, my friend, to explain to you more. By the way, if you are not subscriber, subscribe to our channel. And if you're watching us, smash the like button, my friend. What you going to lose? It's very simple button down, my friend. Just smash it. You done it? Let's continue this, my friend. And my friend, here in the weekly, as you see, what the market given us here. It give us here like that channel. And that channel also we draw it in the daily. We draw it like that. We're going now to the daily and I'm going to show you all those things. As you see when it's touching here, now I think my view is going to go upward, my friend, at least to touch here the 200 moving average or something like that. As you see, my friend, our indicator, it's still here at the oversold area. And that one, it doesn't come to the oversold area a lot of times. It came to a hit at 2019 when we used to be 6,000. And it came to it in 2015, and now we are in it, my friend. So for people who like to invest in Bitcoin, that's the right time for you to invest. Even if it dump down till here, you buy, my friend. Don't worry, it will go in upward. I tell it that to you before. Bitcoin is not something is going to get spoiled like you buying fish or something. It's just a digital currency. It will go in upward. It will go in upward. So let's see. The daily, my friend, what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend? Here in the daily, my friend, as you see it, the market is showing here down a rejection, as you see it, but there is not big volume as we accepted us. Me, I told you maybe it's going to go till here and we make it with red the zone, but till now, as you see it, it came out from that zone as we said before, that one, but till now, as you see it, my friend, maybe it's going to make like that. Then after that, it will go in upward. Or another scenario, and that one is going to be the baddest one to break for us, that channel, and that no one wanted, my friend. Because if you remember, what else we got here? Also, we got here in the daily, my friend, that channel here, as you see it. And from here, as you see it, my friend. And that one, if the market broke it, my friend, if a candle came and close below that channel like that, it's going to be very bad, my friend. Bitcoin will go until 10k, my friend. But we still have here that long-term trend and here that zone. So we don't know what's going to happen, my friend, exactly. But That's my view. If it's breaking that channel, we are going to 10k, my friend. So everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. But don't worry, my friend. The market from that level here, it will stay ranging here one day or two. Then after that, next week is going to bounce up, my friend. Remember my word, and you're going to come and you're going to say, oh, he said it in the last video, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, our indicator, my friend. What did I told you? If you watching the last video, smash the like button. If you haven't, you just came now, go watch the previous video. What did I told you about that level here? And you're going to understand, my friend. Also, we said that level here, that one, me I put it with red here at 42, is very stronger level. As you see it, my friend. Every time the price he touch it, he bounce from it. As you see it. Even here, he touch it, he bounce from it. What did I said before? I said, if the candle is pushing that one and it close below inside that line here, we are going to go upward again to touch that long-term trend, my friend. That one. That one up, we have it here, my friend. It's a long-term trend. That one also being followed from the start of the year, my friend, when we used to be 60k, then we falling till 17k, and also we following it. By the way, if you want to learn how to trade using that our indicator, down below in the second link, our Bitcoin investing course, we explain everything about that indicator, my friend. Go to it and believe me, that course is unique, my friend. You can find the content in it online like majority of the courses, my friend. That course is very, very, very special and unique, my friend. It's going to teach you how to buy and how to sell and how to maximize your profit, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. And by the way, the course is not expensive. It's only 13 bucks, my friend. It's the price of a cup of coffee if you want it. If you're not, you stick with us and you subscribe to our channel. Every time also we put in for you videos, my friend. And those videos also we analyzing for you the market. And I think they are fair enough, my friend, to understand the market structure till now. So now, my friend, what the market giving us here, as you see it, that candle here, it's entering inside that line here. So let's wait in the daily candle. What is going to say? If that one close inside that one, I think we are going to go upward, my friend, till here. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture? So let's see our other indicator, my friend, to see the more. That one, my friend, as you see it, here is it in green. And it came here to that zone. If you see it here, that zone here, every time he used to come to it, he stay long here. And now we are in it, my friend. So maybe from here it will go upward again, my friend. We don't know that the market, my friend, we don't know what's going to happen. But also we're analyzing and we try to predict the market by our analysis, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into the 4 hours to show you more, my friend, what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, as you see it, what else we got here, if you remember it, that channel also we drawing together in the previous videos. And we said it touch it here down. It need to go upward to touch it up because in the top it's only being touched once. And as you see here, the 200 moving average, what it doing is getting slower, my friend. And now, and here down, my friend, we got here that supply and demand zone. As you see it in the previous time when it touched it here, me I'm talking about that zone here, changing that color here. When it touched that time, as you see how much he bounced. Now he came to it again, my friend. I think now we are going to bounce till here, till we are going to touch the 200 moving average. And me I put for you that level here, if you remember it, and you being someone who is subscriber to our channel and you being following us, I told you till here, you take some of the profit, my friend. That level me I told you is at 22.033, my friend. So be careful about that level. And another thing, my friend, if you watching our previous video, my friend, what did I told you here? I told you we got here a W like that, my friend. I tell it to you like that and I show you how to get it, how to do everything about it. I told you if you want to see it clear, you came here, you change it from candlesticks to line like that. And here you see it more clear, my friend. As you see it here, 1, 2, and here W, my friend. And now what the price done for you, my friend? He broke for you the top of the W here. You can even here draw a triangle, my friend, or a rising wage or anything. You can draw it like that. As you see it, my friend, you can draw a triangle like that, and you calculating from here like that to here. As I told you, it's going to go till our zone here, and that's what I told you in the previous video. You can find everything still in our channel, my friend. And here, let's going back to the candles now to see what is it there, my friend. As you see, my friend, here in the candles, the market done for us like that. Now he go out, he break for us that level here. So now my view to it is going to go till here, my friend. Remember that it's going to go till there, my friend. And another thing here, if you see that red candle, that one with that green one, that one, and you bring it like that, my friend. What you see? You see, you got a divergence here, my friend. So be aware of those things, my friend. I think the market is going to go till here, till that level, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you our indicators to show you more, my friend, to be the picture more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's still here at the oversold area. And I think it's the right time for you to buy, my friend. If you buy, you sell at the overbought area, my friend. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, my friend, I want to show you something here. It's so special, my friend. As you see the one here, when it entered the oversold area, when we been at 30k and we went till 42k, my friend. And here, as you see it, my friend, in front of you, here, where is it? Is it at that level here, where we go till 24k, my friend. You enter from 17k, you went till 24k, my friend. And now, as you see it, my friend, again, I gave you here, you enter at the oversold area, my friend. I think it's a big move is coming, my friend. We are going to go higher than that. So be aware of those things, my friend. Also, we give you something, no one can give it to you, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So, let's go into the lower time frames to 30 minutes to show you what is it there, my friend, and to analyze for you the Bitcoin forecasting to be picture more clear to you. Here we are, my friend, in 30 minutes, and in 30 minutes, everything in front of you, my friend. What else we tell you yesterday? We tell you before all that happened. I told you we got here at W, my friend, and the same thing. Everything is in front of you, my friend. And now look where we are. It reached till here. And I think it's going to continue till it touching here. That 200 moving average, my friend. And another thing here. As I showed to you before, I showed to you we got here a divergence. Like that and like that in the volume, my friend. And now it's not clear. But let's make it clear for you. As you see, my friend, from that zone here to the one here. What you got here. From that zone here, the market is showing you, also we are going down. And here in that zone, we are going up, my friend. So that one is a divergence, and I show it to you even on our indicator, my friend. And here he tried to give you here like a head and shoulder, as you see it, my friend. Can even make it like that. Or you can add to it that one. So you choosing which shoulder you want. Everything is too clear, my friend. My view to it now. It will go until it will touch in here, that 200 moving average and our zone, my friend. Everything is too clear. It's our indicator, my friend, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, my friend, as you see our indicator here, it entered at the overbought area. So the buying it's being down here at the oversold area, my friend, down here. Now we are at the overbought area, my friend, but don't worry, we are going to go more higher than that. And as you see there yesterday, what did I told you about the divergence as we have here? Show it to you yesterday, and I told you it's going to go up till that level. And now we are here at the overbought area, my friend, but it's going to go higher more than that. If you enter from lower from here, you can take some of the profit now. Me, I'm talking here about the people, they are scalping and day trading the crypto, my friend, not investors. Investors stick with us only maximum till 4 hours. Don't go lower to 30 minutes, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for this video, my friend. See you in the daily candle finish it and the weekly candle finish it, my friend, to come to you with a new Bitcoin forecasting, my friend. Bye for now.